How to turn on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth while using your phone on airplane mode. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a quick guide on using airplane mode on your iPhone while flying. Let's get started. First, let's open your control center. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Here you will see various options including airplane mode icon. To activate airplane mode, just tap on airplane mode. This will turn off all the wireless communication, ensuring you won't interfere with the airplane system. You can also turn on airplane mode through the settings app. Just go to the settings and then you can see that the airplane mode is toggled on. Now, if you want to use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth while in airplane mode, it's easy. Go back to control center and then tap on Wi-Fi. Similarly, tap on Bluetooth to turn them back on. And that's it, you're all set to use your iPhone safely on an airplane mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. And I'll see you in the next video.